Yeah, so yes, it's me out there recording in the snow. It's snowing so hard, it's snowing right into my. Look at all that snow. Look how hard it's snowing. Look how hard it's snowing. I'm out here in this blizzard, you know what I'm saying? It's snowing so hard out. It's snowing hard out here. Look at all this snow. Look where I walk at. Look how deep the snow is. See my tracks. You know what I'm saying? Let's take a measurement of some snow. Let's see how deep it is out here. See my ruler? That's the ruler. Oh, whoa, good. We were saying about 5 inches. And some spots it say 3.5. Some spots 5. All I know is snowing like crazy out here. This is a lot of snow. Look at all this snow. Look at all that snow. But I seen more. I seen about 10, 12, 15. I was up in VA. Upstate New York was crazy. And then you had to walk to work in it. So, one thing about here, they don't clear the roads good, see? And I couldn't even get into work. I can't go to work in like this. Look at the roads. Let's take a look at the roads. This is after they plowed the roads already. It's over plowed snow. They already plowed the roads already. Look at the road. This is a main highway. You know what I'm saying? It's snowing like crazy around here. But anyways, this is my little snow blog video. Look how deep this snow is. Look how deep the snow is. Chilling. Y'all have a good day. Be safe. And stay out them highways if you don't gotta be out there.